We use it as a dessert and we love it. 2 different kinds that you can dip your apples in, and you guys are gonna love it. Here's your bite, and here's mine. Welcome back to Quick and Tasty on the Farm. I'm Vicki and I'm cooking on the farm on Route 66. I am so sorry I have been missing in action. I've had a cold that went to my sinuses, got a kidney infection. It hasn't been very fun. My voice is still a little raspy, but I feel so much better that I wanted to get back in the kitchen with you guys today. Today we are making 2 delicious desserts. It's kind of an apple dip dessert. We use it as a dessert and we love it. 2 different kinds that you can dip your apples in, and you guys are gonna love it. We just recently got a bunch of apples from Washington and they are so crisp and delicious. They're called Cosmic Crisps, something like that. Have you tried Cosmic Crisp apples before? They are so delicious. But these 2 dips that we make today come together so fast, so quick. It's easy, they're delicious, and your family is gonna love it. Let's get to work. All you need for both of your dips is a package of cream cheese each. I've left this on the counter for a couple hours so that it gets softened at room temperature. About 3/4 cup of brown sugar and 1 jar of marshmallow cream. That's all you need. We're gonna mix it up and cut some apples, and it's gonna be delicious. So for the first dip that we're gonna make, it's something we call a caramel apple dip. All it is brown sugar and cream cheese. Let's make it. So I'm gonna place 1 brick of cream cheese in my bowl. And you could use a blender with this, but I'm actually just gonna use my fork, and I'm gonna mix it up really good. Just like that, just so all the lumps of the cream cheese is out and that it's really smooth. But when it's softened like this, it's really easy to do. That's perfect. The next thing I'm gonna do is add 3/4 cup of brown sugar. I'm gonna mix that up. I kind of smash it a little bit to get the lumps of the brown sugar out. But that right there is my caramel apple dip. This is so delicious. It goes together so fast. It's delicious to cut some apples and have it with hamburgers, pasta, sandwiches at lunch, anything. But this dip is one of the best. Let's make the second dip. For this dip, all you need is 1 brick of cream cheese and some marshmallow cream. We're gonna put it in this bowl right here, mix it up, and make our second dip. So our next dip that we're gonna make is called a marshmallow fluff. That's what I call it. All you need is some marshmallow cream, a brick of cream cheese. You mix it up just like we did the last one. It just has a different flavor, and to be honest, it's probably the favorite. But I don't always have marshmallow cream, so that one's extra special when we get to make it on the farm. All you need is 1 brick of cream cheese. Again, you could do this with the blender. You could mix it up with a beater. I'm just doing it with a fork because it's simple. And I'm just gonna make it where it's smooth. And when it's at room temperature like it is easy to mix up with a fork. The next thing I'm gonna do is add 1 jar of marshmallow cream. You guys, this smells so good. You're gonna love this dip. And this dip right here can actually be eaten with any fruit. Apples, pineapple, strawberries. Strawberries is so good with this dip. But today we're gonna eat it with apples. And I'm just gonna mix it up just like that. I'm gonna grab it at the bottom. I think that'll be easier. There you go. Just like that. That right there is our marshmallow fluff dip. And you guys, I'm going to take a little, I probably have marshmallow cream on my face, but that is delicious. Like I said, this one goes great with apples, but it goes great with any kind of fruit as well. So I'm going to set this aside with my caramel dip. We're going to head outside on the farm for just a little bit. And then we're going to come back, cut up some apples, and we're going to give these dips a try. Let's go.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
You guys, thanks for going out on the farm with me. Isn't it a beautiful day? I'm in my sweater because it definitely feels fall today. But we felt winter just a few days ago. We actually had our first snowstorm. And so the cold came in quickly. But today it's a beautiful day, a sweater weather day, and I love it out on the farm. Let's get these apples cut so we can try these dips together. There you go. There's my apples. And here's your bite. And here's mine. What'd you guys think? Tell me. Comment below. Did you like the dip I gave you? Let's try the other one. I would bet that Casey behind the camera wants a bite. So I'm going to give her the first bite. And this is my bite. Both dips are awesome. Casey did say this is her favorite dip, though. And I would agree. Especially with strawberries. It's so amazing. You guys, go buy some cream cheese, some marshmallow cream. I'm sure you have brown sugar in your pantry. Apples, some fruit. You guys can throw this together in a matter of seconds. And it honestly is a delicious little fall dessert, even dip. Enjoy, you guys. Thanks for coming along, and I'm so glad I'm back cooking in the kitchen with you. I'm Quick and Tasty on the Farm. Bye.